Jesus is led by the Spirit into the wilderness, where he fasts for 40 days and nights. During this time, Satan approaches him, tempting him with food, power, and influence. Each temptation is met with a scriptural response from Jesus, emphasizing his commitment to God's will and his mission of redemption. The story illustrates the struggle between good and evil, the human desire for power, and Jesus' unwavering faithfulness to his purpose. Now, let's hear the story.
You look weary, Jesus. 40 days without food? Impressive. But why suffer needlessly? If you truly are the Son of God, turn these stones into bread. A simple command. No one would blame you.
It is written, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds from the mouth of God. My hunger is temporary, but obedience to the Father is eternal.
Obedience? To what end? Look at this world, broken, chaotic, and full of pain. What good is obedience in a place that barely holds itself together? I could give you power to fix it all. Bow to me, and every kingdom, every throne will be yours. Think of the good you could do with such authority.
You misunderstand true power, deceiver. It is written, you shall worship the Lord your God, and him only shall you serve. The kingdoms you offer are built on sand, ruled by fear. The kingdom of God is eternal and unshakable.
Eternal, you say? Yet here you are, walking among mortals, subject to hunger, pain, and death. Do you really believe that humanity is worth this sacrifice? They betray, they destroy, they forget. Why suffer for creatures so flawed?
I suffer because they are flawed. Love is not reserved for the perfect, but extends to the broken. My purpose is not to condemn, but to redeem.
Redeem? By dying? What kind of king gives his life for his subjects? Power is taken, not given. You could rule, yet you choose a cross.
And that is your greatest weakness, Satan. You do not understand love. True authority is not found in domination, but in service. My death will not be the end, but the beginning.
Bold words. But we shall see. The hearts of men are fickle, their loyalty fleeting. When the time comes, even those closest to you will abandon you.
I know, and still I will go.
Very well, Son of God. Play your part. But remember this, your road leads to agony, and the world may yet reject you.
The world may reject me, but I will not reject them.
This story teaches that true strength comes from inner discipline and the ability to resist distractions and worldly desires. It reminds us to rely on our principles and beliefs to navigate challenges and to remain committed to our goals despite difficulties.